30%.
Hindu tayo yung lapalapag mo. Gani ba?
This is inside the blue. Inside the black.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Yellow. Green.
Ah, okay. We have 4.
I see this one lang.
Nice.
Nice.
Skechers.
Look.
Gaan? Hindi ang yellow ba?
What color is one?
Yellow.
And then the price is
3.
469 now 329.
Yes,
sorry.
30%.
30%. China. But
But
nice.
it's very comfortable shoes. Good quality.
Yeah.
Nice ka.
Then this one very hard.
The green one off.
Gahi kayo no? 469.
329.
Now 3% 329.
30%.
Different color. Lain na siya sa
Green.
color. Saan sa color?
Green. Navy like something. Olive.
What color is one?
Olive green.
Olive. Okay. Nice. Skechers, Los Angeles.
Skechers.
Made in
They are
China.
on sale. Nice. Again, another one. Oh, ayan po. Nindot sa siya.
But the same sa?
Yeah.
Ay, dili. Siya yung nice. Pero daot mo gani.
Air Jordan.
Peach color.
I like
Price?
this too.
Nice, no? Nice color.
Very nice. 339.
Nindot.
Very high quality sa?
Yes.
Sketch.
What is that?
Down there. Are on sale. 30% off.
Also sandal.
In Al Shati.
Sandal very comfort. Waterproof.
Oh.
349. Dito pa kayo.
Ay. Kuha agad diba?
Kuan kayo. Ligon kayo. Ang quality niya ba? No?
Yes. We have color green
Sama sa lock spoon.
and blue.
Na duha ka color. Isa sa Skechers. Sana slip
on.
in.
Yeah, slip in.
Ang slip in di ay katurang iya idrisib-dritso lang og kuano suot no. Ni king pila na sa king 339. Agay makagasto na sa tani kang. Quality niya ba?
Made in what?
Before 549. Karon 379.
30%.
30%?
Look at this.
Oh,
This is inside 3 things. Ultra Go, Arch Fit, Goodyear. Goodyear.
good.
Good, yeah.
Yes, for fitness.
Yeah.
This is for
gym.
fitness. Yes.
Gym.
Yeah. Very comfort.
How much that one?
It's 879.
Pero gaan ano?
But it's not including in sales, huh? That's all new arrival. These are all new arrival.
So for running shoes.
Running shoes.
Yeah. This is for walking shoes.
Skechers run. This one all new arrival. This one sale. 30%.
Good year ito. Pwede ba? Good year madali din no?
Pangguma man.
No? Max Kosher. Wala. Buta.
Running shoes may pang basketball.
Basketball, running, training. Oh,
How much?
Wala pa.
How much po?
Wheelchair.
600.
540.
549.
Nice.
Made in
Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Nice. New arrival.
New arrival.
Yes.
Hero. China siya.
Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Max Coach.
Makusha.
Goodyear.
Tiguna.
Guma.
Yung tabakan.
Sheesh. All in 30%.
How many days?
And
Yeah,
Al Shati Mall.
How many days?
Until when? Until
maybe,
Ramadan?
Yeah, Ramadan.
Yeah.
After Ramadan, maybe you have more.
Your sale also because Eid. This is on Skechers. Skechers.
We will post this one in our YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
We have channel and YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is arch fit. Any people have pen inside.
Ah, yeah.
Okay,
It will,
flat fit.
yeah. Will help.
Yeah. So for flat fit.
This is therapeutic shoes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that's good. How much that one?
And 499.
Not included in.
Yes.
Okay.
500.
Yeah,
400.
99.
You have also Tamara?
تمارا تابي يا راجحي مكافأة
No.
بوينت قطاف بوينت
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And this all for female. They are on sale until Ramadan. All new arrival is not included in sale. Here on.
Running shoes for women.
Yeah.
Yeah. Only 239. 2
239.
colors. This is new collection. Very light. Very light.
New arrival also this one, sir?
Yes. But not that expensive.
It's nice.
For woman.
Yeah.
China. Philippines
Yeah.
good niya po.
279.
Before 349.
Yes.
But 28%. There is ako anak. This one for walking shoes. All slip in. And this one is on sale. On sale.
All the shoes is walking shoes. There.
Walking shoes.
Yes, walking shoes. They're casual shoes. Are running.
Yes, alright. It's new arrival also.
Yeah. Los Angeles shoes, but new design.
New design.
Yeah, heart design.
Tanawa ka.
Same. Nice.
Indutas quality, no?
Nice, no?
This is light, it's heavy.
Ah, okay.
Ay,
Yeah.
oh. Ano yung timbang?
Yeah.
Bugat rin. Gaan siya.
Kayo.
Ha?
Oh, nice.
Doon na siya mga
How much?
429.
439. Ah, the same.
29.
Ah, 29.
49. Nice.
So, 549. Ah. Mas mahal din.
30%. Oh, very nice. This one all for ladies. Skechers. This one, oh nice. Cute design.
Yeah.
Design.
Yeah, two color. Black and white.
Ah, there is black also.
Mm.
What's the name? Ricardo Cavolo. Ah.
Kabolo.
Yeah, Ricardo
Ito sa
Cavallo.
black color.
Yes. This is Ricardo Cavallo. Eyes. Yes.
Mm.
Yeah.
Ricardo Kabolo.
Customized.
Ah, customized ah? Or,
Oo.
di, original.
Collab
din siya.
na. Collab sa Skechers of Ricardo Cavolo.
Ricardo player.
I don't know. Wow.
Mm.
And white. Black and white.
Look at this.
And this one also black and white.
Mm.
Yes. Nice color. How much?
499, I think. Yes, 499.
Oh,
400.
black. 499.
499.
That's nice. Yes. Thank you so much. All here in Alshati. More.
This
30%.
is only 229. So it's very light shoes for gym, for shopping, for walking.
Color green.
Yeah, so I like it.
259. Oh, gaana eh.
Blue, green, orange,
Yeah.
pink.
Bobs.
Oh my god. Very light color.
This is name Bob's.
Bobs.
Bob's shoes, yes.
Bobs. Skechers Bobs.
Nice. Thank you
Welcome.
so much.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for assisting.
Thank you.
We're just making video.
Another model, same name Bob's, but high.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
Mm.
There is heels.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, it's nice. We have gray and powder blue. The price?
349.
649.
349. Okay, yes. Thank you, thank you. Yes. All here in Al Shati Mall, 30% off until Ramadan start.
1 month. This one?
Oh, no, 1 week more.
1 week?
Yeah, I think. Yan na. Finish. Kala